Young coffee flag bearer. Woman, me chair with chep bone, which I can't Charlotte say with chep bone. What address I for chep bone? Why chep bone? Most shally. I'm penny for my what's not there. I am so ashamed that Professor Michael Oquaye, you're like a catch down call for sir. What Professor Michael Oquaye? Whoa, Ushen bottom. Professor Michael Oquaye, you've been a politician for so long. And so if you are in the pocket of Gabby Otchere, it is sad. Professor Michael Oquaye, they are wondering what the 80 years, I will call 81 years. I know you were born in sometime April. Next month is your birthday. May you live to see that day. Sawusha Gabby bottom. Now Gabby, one. Gabby is telling people so Wakachra will say Bekase, but we are turning into the Antuabamano. Now except John Mahama or Yasanti in a Chiliba. So be one no beya will separate the catcher, say, but we are turning into the Antuabamana. I was so would say Mahama boost your fear, our mampong. You test? Professor Michael Oquaye, you test? You test? The Atosumiano, Gabby say Wakachra will say, Gabby Otchere da Costu Wakachra will say, wo, the catcher say, but we are Cremoninti the Antuabamano. Me patron Nanado no qua sorry wing. Nanado a church member wing. Saba we are Cremoninti Antuabamana. Some be the Naboyama Kennedy Japono, Kennedy Japon qua sorry wing. Money ma soft for do a Kennedy go ma sorry. Kennedy Japan wa kwa sorry wen. Wo Gabby se ba catcher ya say bawumia eye kramoni enti na ya nto abama no wo bana di tika kraka no wo ba jimi fo no Michael Oquaye Junior no do me kwa be na o sorry die ba gumumpo. That's my constituency. Before you come and tell us that stupid shit, Emani flew with Timo, my papa. Neka de be on the pressure de beku. So what bodama better when so. So what bodama? Gabby Otchere ko se be kache say. Ba wo mi aye kramoni nti ni anto abama no. Kennedy Japan wo kwa asore wen. If anything at all, Kennedy Japan is one MP who is known for attacking pastors and churches. Nanado no kwa sorry wen. Nanado na wo kwa sorry wen. Jo Mahama ba ye di na chi ne kwa sorry. Ye hia do obey o man ye. Ene de gbegbe gada. And before you vote for another arrogant person as a flag bearer, don't forget what Nanado did to the party. Don't. Professor Michael Oquaye, Mami ka de to so mi ensanchira. Me pese Mami ka de to so mi ensanchira. Me pese wo se komo na mkodi ye no egumensam. Said de to so mi ensa, ba wo mi akochu running mate obi ampe was Napo singularly Bawumia's choice. Bawumia kwa na de nsa kofa Napo. Bawumia ono kwa na de nsa kofa Napo. You people don't know what is coming. Professor Michael Oquaye, may try report, and I'm telling you today, who need credibility and chain or say Mensa. Put it down. Who need Professor Michael Oquaye, you don't have credibility past or say Mensa. Also, we have been able to trace some of the reports. I just want you to do what Gabby said he has asked you to do. Nagana from me dance here because reports in my house. I want you to do what Gabby said. Also, Professor Michael Oquaye, you have enjoyed politics. And it's a Muslim Gabby ho. I'm a den tro. Samo den tro betoba umiaso. Chen Kennedy. Will be coma. It's gonna be a different problem. Ya two abe you see opposition. NDC for I'm a Canadian Japan 640 million Ghana cedis. As a contractor, why ye? Nami Busa say Kennedy dia no ya ma NDC a omo ba ya omo so omo ni sika omo ni betu analysis for ka omo ni sika omo ni betu teacher for ka school for primary betu school fees but ya time 640 million cities e dia many pa ba ko. Is Kennedy Agyapong the only contractor in Ghana? Is Kennedy Agyapong the only contractor NDC is owing? Professor Michael Oquaye, Busa Usedi na Kennedy, Edi Yama NDC. And to John Mahama, Etri ma ato forcing, Ekotuya ni sikama na nani china ya. What was Kennedy Agyapong's contribution to the NDC? What was his contribution to the NDC? I want to buy and me say same way me boa I have public documents. If I'm lying, I have public documents. Go and verify. The NDC during the transition has paid 640 million to Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy or enjoy your party ni mu enough na. Ah? Nipa ba ko pe na didi wa pipi ni mu be ye. I'm what's not say, Aquajiska, a person want the fake reports ever. And then youth employment 40 and yes, I'm calling your form 2024. We are got in a fear. Yeah, power, you lose power. Will be at fear. I commit these food soldiers. By a Kennedy Agyapong 640 million Ghana cedis for one contract. Now the Busa NDC contractor said, "Wo ba ye yetua woka." NDC contractor, wa wo de wa ho den etia mu edi akyire yetua woka. Ye do sika ma. And ye Kennedy 640 million. 640 million cedis. Edi amano. Modie, Monkonam control kwasia report. Me say, I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. Because baby, I want to feel with Professor Michael Oquaye. Sawusha Gabby Otchere da kubotoma. It means you were a stupid man. I'm telling you. It means you were a stupid man. Sawusha Gabby Otchere da kubotoma Professor Michael Oquaye. E chasa wo ye pedini Jimmy for. Asempa FM na bra na fa me bo bra me na se Professor Michael Oquaye wonti bi koye sa kwase asem na Gabby nam so se ye na wo hihye ni bottom no Gabby Otchere da ko wo force Kennedy Agyapong on our neck. We are waiting wo your sunoba ma wani na ho se wo your sunoba ma wani na ho na ba ne ba ye no wo nya 640 million cedis. Aseme makaka me boa ka Kennedy abeka se me boa e dan so me bi o ma no ka se me boa pe me drop evidence me drop payments e dan o baka se me boa no me drop payments me se bra na beka kire yen se mo kro no ma ko hye dem ba wo mi anya marketable Kennedy Agyapong marketable no Kennedy Agyapong Obi a call Oxford University. Mutimi marketing. They call Fordham University. Now mo woni Fordham ho. Mo Fordham say they was there. They call Fordham University. Mo dia mo fa jimimra. Mo fa jimimra. What now na mo de ba wo mi atutu Kennedy wo kwa mo nsuro. Mo mfere. Let and Kennedy asantini ba wo mi aye 10 inti no. Me ko ka de atia no. Let's go. Hey, mo mfere ade o. Mo mfere ade. Young coffee flag bearer, who mammy chair with your bone, which I can't cancel lot of say with your bone, or address of with your bone, why your bone, most shally. I'm penning for my what's not there. I am so ashamed that Professor Michael Oquaye, you